Greedy Dog. Once upon a time, a dog found a big, tasty bone. The dog was so excited and decided to take the bone home. While crossing a bridge, the dog looked down into the water and saw its own reflection. The dog thought it was another dog with a bigger bone. The dog wanted that bigger bone, so it barked and tried to grab it. When it opened its mouth, the bone fell into the water. Now the dog had no bone at all. The dog learned that being greedy can make you lose what you already have. Moral: we should not be greedy.